Hi friends. In this video, I am sharing my review of Hotel Arawana Express Sukhumvit 22 in Bangkok. Sukhumvit 22 in the hotel's name comes from its location, which is almost on Alley 22, Sukhumvit Road. The BTS SkyTrain station nearest to the hotel is Phrom Phong, which is actually not so near. It is definitely not a walking distance. And that may be an issue if you stay at this hotel. I will elaborate on that later in the video. But first, let me show you the hotel and the room in which I stayed in July 2025. This was my superior queen room, and it cost me close to 800 baht after a discount which I got from my booking site. The size of the room was really small, and the hotel staff told me it was still bigger than a standard room and had a window. There would be no window in a standard room. Apart from the room being too small, there was another feature that many people will not like. The bathroom sink, instead of being in the bathroom, was out in the room, next to the bed. I think it is a terrible setup. I will show the bathroom in a moment. Let us first see the amenities in the room. Apart from the queen bed, there was a work desk, which was a surprisingly good addition to this room. I found it really useful. There was a mini fridge, an electric kettle, a hair dryer, and a flat screen TV. 2 water bottles and tea-coffee supplies were given every day. There was no cupboard, but instead, a steel rack to keep bags and hang clothes. And at the bottom of the rack, there was a personal locker. The split-type air conditioner was adequate for the room, and the free Wi-Fi worked most of the time. Somehow in this tiny room, they seemed to have packed every essential amenity. The bathroom was compact but okay. The shower was tricky, and I had to ask the hotel staff about getting hot water. It worked after that. The window in the room provided some daylight, but the view was bad. It was like this. I thought perhaps it would be better to stay in a windowless room to save some money. Down in the lobby, they had old-type self-service washing machines. These could be used in an emergency, but there were better options on Alley 22. Sadly, all these amenities could not make Hotel Arawana Express my favorite. The long distance from the BTS station, the tiny room size, and the odd placement of the bathroom sink in the room proved to be major issues. I had to spend extra on bike taxi rides and cabs to travel to the BTS station and to and from the airport. I could not use the cheaper option of taking the airport link train. When the cost of those taxi rides is added to the room rate, it becomes an expensive hotel. I will not be staying here again. With that, I have shared the essential details. For more information or clarification, please leave a comment below. I will be happy to respond. And consider giving a thumbs up if you liked the video. You may also want to subscribe to my channel for similar travel videos on Thailand and other countries. Many thanks for watching.